All right, so here's some YouTube live video tips. You can also use YouTube live. Now, here's the thing. Live videos on YouTube actually rank better. Okay, they rank better. Matter of fact, they're going to rank better than even a regular video that you upload. And I'm going to give you a couple tools that you can go check out that will actually, here's the cool thing, where you can actually make a recorded video. You can edit it, you can do anything you want, and then you can stream it as it's live. Okay, as if it was live. And that gives you the ability to take advantage of the additional ranking power of a live video. All right, so they rank better in the search engines. Now, if you optimize them for search terms for best results, now we've got more training inside of MLSP that you may want to look up about keyword research. And then also I've got some more training in the video section there about optimizing your videos. Okay. And it's still, the things I shared in there were a couple years ago, but they're still very relevant today. Okay. So you want to learn to optimize your videos for search. And the ideal length for a YouTube video, a live video or a regular video, is about 3 to 5 minutes. That's the ideal length. And I actually have done some research on this too, just to get like, you know, some of the ideas of what, you know, some big research firms and, you know, big video websites, what their consensus is. And the consensus is about 3 to 5 minutes is the ideal length. Again, that's for YouTube. And the reason, okay, the reason that YouTube videos are better longer is because remember this, okay? Remember this. YouTube is a search engine, guys. When people go into YouTube and they type in a search term, you know, how to fix my kitchen sink, they have the idea that they want to learn how to fix the kitchen sink. So they're willing to sit and go through a 3 to 5 minute video to learn how to do that. Whereas a video on Facebook has a whole different mentality when people are scrolling the news feed, just looking for something that catches their eye. See, there's a difference there. When you're searching, you want something specific. When you're just scrolling, that's a whole different deal. So 3 to 5 minutes for YouTube videos is the ideal length, and you still want to follow that video creation formula. Now, again, remember this. If you decide you want to do a live video on YouTube rather than creating one, a recording, and then streaming that as live, and I'll show you a really cool tool that I think is great for doing that. But the power is in the recording, again, because it ranks better. So if it ranks better, you want to take advantage of that. And ranking just means that when somebody types in a specific keyword, that's going to show up much better in the search results because it was streamed. Okay. And YouTube looks at that and it carries more weight in their eyes.